right, we are back here at Las Vegas Market, ready for another edition of Las Vegas Market Live. Excited to be in the PureCare showroom right now, joined by Miss Sarah Bergman. Appreciate you, A, having us in, and
Absolutely.
B, diving into it with us.
Of course, yeah. C1595, come and see us over in Building C. PureCare this year, we're going to show you a lot of really fun products, but I wanted to start with one of the most, I think, successful stories that we're talking about at Market, which has nothing to do with physical product and everything to do with where we're making our product today. We've really insulated our retailers and we're able to deliver product stability through manufacturing in India, Pakistan, Portugal, Vietnam, China, and the USA, which, by the way, we blow our own pillows in the USA, have a huge manufacturing facility there. It's awesome to be able to be a US producer. So. Yeah. I think this is really important if you are at Market this year and you're not talking about tariffs and you're not talking about pricing stability. It's time.
Right. Well, it's obviously a big part of the conversation, right? So thinking about that, it's a great story, great message for retailers. As you look as a brand out, the next 12 months, what are you expecting in 2025 to be like?
Oh man, here's my crystal ball. And
wish we all had one of those, right?
I know. Listen, we're already feeling a little bit of relief, I think, stepping into 2025, which I know that we personally have been looking for. It's been brutal. The last 5 years have been kind of brutal, and I know that retail has really been feeling it. So what we're hearing at Market is that retailers are already starting to see a lift. We've figured out, what's going on with politics. Maybe we figured out a couple of things and things are starting to light the load. So I think in 2025, we are making sure that we can help our customers the best that we can by making sure that we aren't part of any kind of financial impact. We're making the best quality products that we can. That's what I got for you.
That's awesome.
I'm hoping that that's enough.
Yeah, plenty. So for the retailers that do stop by and explore the showroom, a lot of exciting things to see. Is there one area that you'd point them to, or one product?
No, you gotta come in and see the whole thing.
Yeah.
Listen, we're sheets, pillows, protectors, comforters, duvets. We have natural collections, we have recycled collections, we have wellness collections. I think for retailers, if there's one thing that I can tell them, it's that PureCare has the capability to make anything a program around their retail that makes sense for them. So I'll show you a few of the highlights, but you really got to come in and see us to know.
Absolutely, no, that's awesome. And we got prime time coming up just around the corner for Nationwide members. Any message to them, that you're excited about, that you want to tell them as we get ready for San Antonio?
Yeah, of course. You're going to see some new things from us. A lot of new protectors, which isn't always the sexiest product category, but is really where PureCare started and what we do best. So we're really excited to go back to our roots, show people why we're the best in that category. So they'll see that. They'll see a lot of sheeting as well from us. We've got a couple of new, really aggressive price point sheet options. So I think they're going to like what they see.
That's awesome. Well, Sarah, this was great. Again, thank you for having us in the showroom, peeling back the layers and diving into it with us. So this was awesome.
Thank you.